What's going on, guys? It's Jake here, and in this video I'll be going over how much I make as a relatively small YouTuber. So my channel at the time I'm making this video is around 10,000 subscribers, and I roughly in total have a little over like 800,000 views on my channel. Posted well over actually 400 videos, which is like a ton of videos. So I'll be showing you guys directly through the YouTube analytics page that only I can normally see how much money I'm making on YouTube, and I'll talk a little bit about that and a little bit about some like tips, tricks, as well as kind of how it works. So anyways, I'm going to pull up my YouTube like dashboard here on my phone, and it should be up right about now. So this is my main dashboard here in the YouTube app. And if I actually go to the analytics part and then view more, it'll show a little bit more in depth. So in the overview here, basically the big things I'm going to look at right now are just simply views, and then go over to this revenue page as well, because basically you're just simply paid by YouTube per like views you get, like monetized views anyways, I should say. So my channel is like obviously monetized, like I have well over the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hours of watch time markings that you need to become monetized. And when my channel was actually first monetized, this was when it was a different requirement, so it was only 10,000 views your channel had to have at the time. But anyways, if we go over here to revenue, I'll do revenue first and then go over the views and stuff. So if I go to revenue, and then I'll just simply go through like lifetime first. So in my entirety of being on YouTube, starting from April 1st, 2017 to May 6th, 2019, so a little over 2 years, I have made $7,747 simply from YouTube ads. And if we go to some smaller ones, I got to start off in, let's just do last 365 days. I've made about $5,000. Then if we go to last 90 days, about $1,876. And then if we go to last 28 days, 4 weeks, about $568. And for whatever reason, just literally recently, as soon as I was thinking about doing this video, YouTube has had some trouble actually showing the revenue for the month of May on their YouTube studio. So I don't know, they're fixing it. It's kind of half fixed right now. I think if I go to the last 7 days, it's like really messed up. It's typically delayed a day, but it says I made nothing on May 1st. So YouTube is actually fixing that right now. But anyways, if I go like month by month through 2019, and then I'll compare that to the views as well to kind of show you guys how I'm making per many views I'm making, as well as what videos are making me the most money. So if you go over here to January, I made $522 from January 1st to January 31st. And I will say in January, February, March, and April, I've been trying to post a lot more and post more consistently, and I've actually seen my revenue go up quite a bit. If I go from January to December, I only made $358 in December, and in January, I made $522. So that's almost a $200 jump right there. Then even if I go all the way back to November, $262. So I'm making significantly more in 2019 so far. Then if I go on to February 2019, I made $637, so that again is almost that's a little over actually a $100 jump right there. And then if I go on to March 2019, I go to 607, so it did go down slightly. And honestly, I think in February I posted a video like every single day versus March I didn't, so I think that helped as well. And then if I will go to April, I made 667, which is actually the largest amount of revenue I've ever made on this channel per month. So that's pretty awesome. So thank you to everyone who keeps watching my videos. And then today, or today's May 7th, it's May right now, and it says I've made $100. So if you do the math, that'd be like around 400 for this month, but this month's revenue's been super messed up and super delayed. So if I just look over like the last 90 days or so, as you can see, it goes up and down quite a bit, my revenue that I've made. And most of that isn't like from YouTube errors, besides that like very significant downward, like just the day where it basically looks like I made $0. That is actually a mistake. That's just YouTube messing up there in May. But if we look from January or February 6th to about like the end of April here, my revenue goes up and down quite a bit. And some reasons for being that way, which I'll show once I show the views, it'll be a little bit more clear, is because honestly, some days I don't post. Some days I post videos that get more views and less views than other days. And just overall, if there's like a very clear fluctuation in views, there's typically a very clear fluctuation in revenue. And a lot of people people blame this on YouTube for their algorithm. Like sometimes they'll post a video and it'll get a ton of views, sometimes they won't. A lot of people, it kind of seems to be hit or miss on whether or not people actually get notifications for videos, because a majority of videos that people post in general, as well as myself on YouTube, generally get the most views and the most revenue within the first 48 hours and definitely within the first 24 hours. But I think that's very dependent on how much you do. But anyways, that's my revenue side. So if we go over to the actual views side, let's see, the real-time views doesn't mean a whole lot, but if I go from lifetime views, I have over 800, or I have exactly 867,000 views on my channel so far. And as you can see, my views kind of went up and down, like kind of randomly there, because basically towards the like 2017, I was posting a lot. I had a couple of videos on my channel get like a decent amount of views, and then like views, I started like posting not as consistently as I wanted to in 2018. But in 2019, as you can see, the views are back up. I'm posting more consistently overall, and just in general, my channel is getting more views. But I will say I have noticed a trend just on YouTube in general, not just for my channel, but for other channels as well in the community, that you tend to get significantly more views from like the December mark to like March, April. In the summertime, like in those months, June, July, August mostly, your view counts, and I've noticed this on my channel as well, go down significantly regardless of how much you're posting. So it's just a cyclical cycle. It happens. I guess this is just the way it is. I'm somewhat new to this industry, so I was unaware of that. But anyways, if I go to December 2018, I had about 31,000 views. January 2019 goes up a lot, 47,000 views in that month. February 54,000, so it goes up again, which was nice. March 51,000, so down slightly. April I had 53,000, so that goes up from March. And then in May so far, I've had about 13,000, and today's actually May 7th, so this is from May 1st to May 6th. So if we, add that up, I'll probably be getting roughly around the same amount of views again for May. But hopefully towards the end of the month, it will go up a little bit, because I'm going to try to post as consistently and as much as I can this month. And I actually did recently change my video schedule. So again, if we actually go to the view counts and compare them, so January I made 47,000, or I had 47,000 views, and if we go over to the revenue page here in January, I actually had $522. So you can do the math there if you want to kind of see how much I'm making per amount of views. I personally know that it's kind of called like basically a CPM, basically how much you get paid per 1,000 views on YouTube, and that's generally how you could do the math to figure out how much you're going to get paid. So you might be questioning, if you've seen other channels before that have shared this information with you, why my channel gets paid significantly more than a lot of other channels out there. Well, this is basically because my CPM is so much higher than other channels. So what CPM is basically how much you get paid per 1,000 views on your channel. So for example, I get around 50,000 views a month on my channel, and you could just simply divide that number by 1,000. So there's 50 times that I'd be getting 1,000 views, and then YouTube actually assigns a specific number to that, and my number is probably anywhere from like high $8 to like $15 on the channel. It fluctuates quite a bit, I've noticed. And in general, the average CPM on YouTube, so how much people are getting paid per 1,000 views, is actually less than $2. So as you can see, I'm getting paid literally 10 times more than other channels for how many views I'm getting, even though I'm not getting a significant amount of views. And I think the two biggest reasons that I'm getting paid so much per 1,000 views on my channel is, one, because my channel is super specific. It's definitely just has one, or like, not very broad topic. So my basic the basic niche I'm in is like personal finance, investing, stock market, entrepreneurship, and it is definitely very, very focused on the stock market and just investing in general. And while there's other channels out there that might just be about like lifestyle or vlogging or gaming or things of that nature, those are probably like the biggest, most popular channels on YouTube. Those are very, very general, so it's actually difficult for advertisers to find specific things and specific ads to run on your channel, because they might not necessarily be sure what your audience is. And if you actually even go further into some of my demographics, which I could share with you guys in maybe a different video or something if you're interested in, my audience is like 90% male, and it's like 90% people under the age of 30. So my audience is very, very specific as well, and advertisers know that, so they're willing to pay me more because of how specific my audience is. So I think those are kind of the two biggest factors why my CPM is so high. But anyways, guys, that's really it for this video. Definitely let me know in the comment section if you have a YouTube channel, you're trying to monetize it or not. Or if you have any questions about how my channel is monetized, how much money I make, things of that nature. This was just simply me showing how much I actually make from just simply Google ads running on my channel, which I just click a button to have them run. I don't like do any extra work or anything like that. YouTube does that all automatically for me, but I also do make other income streams from my YouTube channel through things like referral links and affiliate marketing, but those aren't nearly as big as I make off from YouTube ads. I don't like sell a course or a book or anything like that, so I don't make any money from things of that nature. But anyways, guys, that's really it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely leave a like. And if you're new to my channel, I talk about the stock market, investing, entrepreneurship, things like that. So I'm interested in that kind of stuff. And you're not yet subscribed, definitely consider subscribing. But other than that, guys, I hope you enjoyed.